Instant Flipbook plus audio access. 1 complete guided reading journey or start partway. 3 interconnected books designed to work together: clarity, courage, and faith experienced through guided reading and audio reflection. Get the complete 3-book collection $66 or start with a single book. Save $22 audio included. Most readers choose the complete collection to avoid restarting later. Why most readers choose the complete collection? No pressure to decide what you'll need later. 1 purchase, 1 library, no restarting. Everything works together by design. If you want quick motivational snippets, this may not be for you. If you want guided reading you can return to anytime, you'll love this collection. Instant Flipbook access, audio included, on-time purchase, no PDF downloads. Access is via Flipbook with audio, no PDF downloads. Access is granted immediately after payment. Alleluia audio updates weekly due to its size. Choose how complete you want your journey to be. Complete collection, best value. All 3 books, intentionally sequenced. Full clarity, rightward arrow, courage, rightward arrow, faith arc. Audio plus guided reflection throughout. Access and future updates included. $66, save $22. Get the complete collection. Readers who begin with 1 book often return to complete the journey. The bundle simply saves time and money. Guided reflection. Every section is designed to help you pause, think, journal, and apply so reading becomes transformation. Built for real life. Practical, memorable, and easy to revisit when you need direction, courage, and renewed focus. Your private library. Private Flipbook plus audio access. No downloads. Secure private access in your library. Wiz Diary. 200 verses for clarity, identity, and self-mastery. Digital download, instant access. $19. One time. 200 sharp, focused verses for clarity and direction. Reflection space after each verse to turn insight into action. Build resilience, discipline, and steady momentum 1 page at a time. Buy now. Lightbulb, most readers choose the complete collection for the full experience. View bundle, rightward arrow. Instant Flipbook access with audio, no PDF downloads. Bonus, Flipbook doubles as an audio experience for Wiz Diary, added free for easier listening. Often chosen as an entry point before completing the full collection. Preview midnight/5:00 total 58:05. You can listen to the first 5 minutes as a preview. About Wiz Diary. Wiz Diary is a guided reading experience built around 200 carefully selected verses designed to help you slow down, reflect, and rebuild your inner foundation. Each verse is followed by space to write, process, and apply what you're learning so the words don't read more. Power of Paradise. 21 stories that move you from intention to change. Digital download, instant access. $23. One time. Short, unforgettable stories with powerful takeaways. Strengthens decision-making, mindset, and personal standards. A tribute to the purity, hope, and courage that change cultures. Buy now. Lightbulb, most readers choose the complete collection for the full experience. View bundle, rightward arrow. Instant Flipbook access with audio, no PDF downloads. Bonus, Flipbook doubles as an audio experience for Power of Paradise, added free for easier listening. A powerful standalone read but designed to be most effective alongside the other books. Preview midnight/5:00 total 257:09. You can listen to the first 5 minutes as a preview. About Power of Paradise. Power of Paradise is a compact collection of 21 thought-provoking stories written to challenge passivity and awaken purpose. These are not long chapters, they are clear, memorable moments designed to shift perspective, strengthen conviction, and help you choose, read more. Alleluia. A gospel-anchored reflection companion for deep study. Digital download, instant access. $46. One time. Guided questions that help scripture speak into real life. Ideal for personal devotion or group discussion. Builds a deeper, steadier faith through structured reflection. Buy now. Lightbulb. Most readers choose the complete collection for the full experience. View bundle, rightward arrow. Instant flipbook access with audio, no PDF downloads. Preview midnight/5:00, total 5:32. You can listen to the first 5 minutes as a preview. Alleluia audio updates weekly due to its massive content size. Best experienced as part of the full guided journey. About Alleluia. Alleluia is a faith companion built for readers who want more than quick inspiration. It guides you through gospel-anchored reflection with questions and insights designed to deepen understanding, sharpen discernment, and strengthen your daily walk with God. Read more. Best value, the complete 3-book collection. All 3 books in one purchase so you can build mindset, purpose, and faith with a complete guided reading library. $66, save $22 compared to buying separately. Buy the complete collection now. Instant flipbook plus audio access. No subscription. What you'll receive: immediate access via a private flipbook reader. Audio included for each book. No PDF downloads. Alleluia audio releases weekly due to its size. Access includes future updates. 30-day 100% money back guarantee. If you don't love it, email us and we'll make it right. Frequently asked questions. Should I start with one book or the full collection? If you want the full guided journey without interruption, the complete collection is the best choice. If you're exploring, you can start with one book and upgrade later, but most readers prefer to begin with everything from the start. Are these books digital or audio? You get access via a private flipbook reader with audio included. There are no PDF downloads. Alleluia's audio will be updated weekly due to its size. How do I access my purchase? Immediately after payment, you receive flipbook and audio access, no downloads required. Do I need special software? No. Just use your browser to access the flipbook and audio, nothing to install. Is this a subscription? No. This is a one-time purchase with access and future updates to the latest edition. Which option should I buy? If you want the full experience and best value, choose the complete collection bundle. If you want to start small, choose one title and upgrade later. Best value. All 3 books $66, save $22 vs buying separately. Product delivery method and speed: digital access via in-browser flipbook with streaming audio. Access is granted immediately after payment. File format of the product: flipbook, HTML5, plus streaming audio, MP3/AAC. Works on modern browsers: Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, on desktop and mobile. No downloads required. Detailed description: digital flipbook access with audio for Wiz Diary, Power of Paradise, and Alleluia. No physical shipment, £0. Note: Alleluia audio updates weekly due to its size. Price: see price above. Payment link: use the buy button above to purchase securely via ClickBank. Rebill schedule: one-time purchase. No rebills. Shipping and return information: digital product, no shipping. 30-day money-back guarantee. Refunds are handled by ClickBank per their policies. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of ClickSales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho, 83709 USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in promotion of these products. For product support, please contact the seller here. For order support, please contact ClickBank here.